Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Paleto City Web Div. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix some basic JavaScript error. And for today's video I've created a simple small project that just include a bunch of div housing a class of error and success. But today we're going to be working with an external script just for us to know the little buggy that can occur when using an external script, and a good practice on how we can link our external script. So let's get started. So I have created a script called script.js in which we're going to be using our testing environment. So the first thing is for us to include our scripts the old way to do it, like to include our script on our head tag. So let's include our script by using the script, then I used to have this error. I use href to link my style. Then I think I named it script.js. So let's test if we've actually linked our JavaScript. So let's just drop something. Let's drop a console dot log. Let's just say, dude, I'm now working, just for us to test. Okay, I've refreshed the page, but I am not seeing. Oh, sorry, for in case you don't know how I have brought this console window. It's an inbuilt console window that helps us to monitor our scripts. It mainly helps us figure out where we have error. It's just more like our compiler. So I can go there by right clicking and going to inspect elements, or I can just press my F12 on my keyboard, then go under console. So I have console.log a particular string of character, but I happen not to find them here. So the other way I use to check if my script or my code I have an error, I view the source code, then I move to the script.js and try to monitor if I can get to the destination by clicking on it. I discover yes, the link is there. There's this interactivity between them. I can toggle to my script tag, to my script sorry but the actual error is not due to the location. It's due to how script tag links scripts. Instead of href, we make use of src. Is it src? SCR? No, it's src. So now let's check to confirm if the integrity is still there. Okay, now it's working. We've successfully linked our JavaScript to our web page. So the other thing I want us to figure out is how to use query selector. I want to select this success class. So in order to do that, I'm going to be using my query selector. Let me say source equals document dot query selector. Yeah, just for you to know. So I want to select my source class. So in order for me to know if I have successfully selected it, I want to console.log fuck, my source class. Okay, this is the error it brings to me. Document.querySelector is not a function. Why is that? We must have been mixing either a uppercase or a lowercase, and I guess from a good practice, a good coding practice, all functions should have a camel case, should be camel cased. The query a lowercase, then this selector, the S, is supposed to be in an uppercase. Okay, let's try fixing that and let's check. We have this error none because of two different reasons. Firstly, where our script tag is located, and the second is that we can't select a source without including the period before it, the period to indicate we are trying to select a class. Okay, let's try putting the script down and check the error we're going to get. I usually drop my script tag one line before the closing tag for the body. So let's check the error. I still have my none because it has no associates. Okay, let me try using my selector, then let me select the class. Now I have a result because I have just targeted the class called source. Okay, let's move to the other error. The other error is when we want to select, when we want to use what is it called, when we want to use get element by class name. When you're using get element by class name, we don't need to indicate the dots because we are already getting element by class name. Okay, what this does is that it returns the results, like it returns the results in an array form. So let's, before then, I want to interswitch where my script is. I want to switch it up back to show you some error you can encounter. Okay, let me go back to my JavaScript and console.log my error. Oh, console.log. Okay, now I have the total length of 0. Why? Because our script, like I said, web browser reads our script from top downward. So when it tries reading it from top and it doesn't see anything related to error from this top, because the script is located here, it tries to read from here down here and discover there's no class called the error, so it automatically indexes it at 0. But because we are using our console window, it's very powerful. It can read the whole page. Oh, sorry, I didn't change the class to error. Now because the console window is so powerful, it reads all the web page, so it's discovered, while reading from this, I think I have 3 different classes called error, and I guess the length is equals to 3. So if we have this kind of situation, we should always return or remove our script from the top and drop it below the content we are working with. We can immediately drop it after this, or we can just drop it at the end of our page, which is a good practice, which is what I do. So let's try checking. So we have HTML collection of 3, showing that we have a total length of 3, and we can also access its length by saying console.log error.length. And yeah, I guess this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question relating or inside or outside this course, I guess you should drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Thank you for watching.